The Breville Dose Control Pro comes with two handy features, the pause function and manual grinding option. Let's look at the pause function first. By pressing the Start Cancel button during operation, you'll be able to pause the grinder for up to 10 seconds to collapse and settle your coffee in the porta-filter. The Start Cancel button will slowly flash while paused. Reinsert the porta-filter and press the button again to resume grinding the remaining dose. Or to cancel the remaining time, press and hold the Start Cancel button for 1 second. Now, if you prefer to have complete control over how much coffee is dispensed, you'll appreciate the manual grinding feature. To activate the manual grind, press and hold the Start Cancel button for as long as you require. To stop further grinding, simply release the Start Cancel button. It's that easy.